Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's continue to design this yoga website. And in our previous video, we have installed all required plugins, themes, and create all sample posts here in the post. I have created 6 sample blog posts and 4, 5, 4, yeah, 4 services or yoga type. This is sample post. Remove this. Okay, and yeah, pages we have created 5 pages for this website, and we have created menu. Now let's design the header. Go to appearance, header, footer, builder, and new. First is of course header template, or display or entire website, Elementor canvas, publish it. Okay, edit with Elementor. This is the transparent header. Yeah, and this in the header is displaying over the this first section or hero section. Okay, and just insert to column section like this. Vertical align middle, padding about 20 at the top, 20 at the bottom. Navigation menu here. Layout, right alignment, and menu. Oh, yeah, they are adding this. Yeah, by default, when we add submenus, it will display a plus menu sign. I have also made a video how to hide it using custom CSS, but now you do not have to go for custom CSS. Here is the option. If you enable this option, then there will be no the plus menu sign. So this is a good thing. Okay, and yeah, style by default this is green color. Okay, so let's set the color here in the size setting, global colors. Oh, sorry, pick this color of color picker. Okay, and secondary. This is here. Okay, let's try this. If you don't want, you can see and set back lecture. Now, yeah, it is changed to orange color. So by default we do not have to edit the color, it is changed to default. Okay, that's it. And yeah, you can change this padding a little, horizontal padding 25. Okay, then site title, site logo, site title. Okay. Oh, pick a list tree. Yeah, try this. Okay. Okay, and go to section setting, stick header effects, enable it, and transparent header, enable it, background color, enable it, choose white. Okay, update it. Okay, for mobile screen logo 70 30. Okay, that's it, update it. Oh, by default this green color I don't like it, let's change this. Okay, we are done with the header, so let's go change this. By default background color, customize, color change to white. Okay, publish it. Oh, this footer widgets. Here I cannot remove this, so let's go to widgets. Yeah, now you can edit the footer widgets or sidebar widgets using the Gutenberg editor. I want to remove this. I do not want any widgets, footer widgets. Okay, Okay, I did it. Now let's design the footer. Footer, footer template, entire website for all users. Elementor canvas, publish it. I am a strong supporter of minimalistic design, so I don't like any extra widgets in the footer. Yeah, and I'm a strong supporter of sticky header too, since the navigation is done through sticky header or sticky footer. It is not necessary to have sidebar widgets or footer widgets. Yeah, those widgets are no longer relevant. So one column, section, star, background color, or and padding about 100 at the top, 100 at the bottom. Social icons, custom, primary color transparent, secondary color white. Okay, or something like this, and on hover secondary color white, primary color, yeah, like this. Then copyright, okay, update it, and we are done with the header and footer. You won't be able to see the footer, the header nicely, because it is transparent header. It is displaying over the other subsequent consecutive sections. Oh, mm, okay, and let's start designing header. This header section, footer header, edit page. And as I have mentioned before in our previous video, I do not have such beautiful stock photos, so we are going to use a sample replacement. Yeah, this is just for demonstration. If you are designing your own website or for clients, I suggest you look for premium stock photos, or suit yourself, so the beautiful stock photos using that green background, so to get this transparency. Yeah, simple here. And there are lots of photos to use in different yoga poses, different yoga type services. Okay, that's it. This video, and it's loading home page. In the next video we'll start with this home page. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like it. Please watch this video series till the end, step by step, to design this yoga website. Here are a lot of interesting sections here. This is quite easy, but yeah, this is interesting section. Yeah, this full white section is interesting. Slider on the background. So yeah, we'll design this. Okay, see you in the next video.